A swollen belly in a fish can be caused by various factors, including high stress levels, liver dysfunction, or parasitic or bacterial infections. To treat a fish with this condition, it's essential to take a few simple steps. First, isolate the affected fish in a separate tank and add salt to the water. 1 teaspoon per gallon is recommended. Provide the fish with clean water, but avoid making large water changes all at once. Instead, make partial changes as needed, and strive to maintain a stable pH to minimize stress. Feed the fish high-quality food, but be cautious not to overfeed it. If necessary, treat the fish with antibiotics, but consult a veterinarian to determine the appropriate type and dosage. By following these steps, it's possible to effectively treat a fish with a swollen belly and help it recover.